Hello everyone, this is Mr. Rojan making a cello video for you today. We're going to be working on Lightly Row. Okay, we've already finished Song of the Wind. I'd like you to continue practicing it as with everything else. So, Lightly Row has a tunnel technique when we begin. A, F sharp, as you know. Then a G, E, E. And then as we discussed in class, we have this D scale. So that's the first line. I'll play the first line of Lightly Row. If you want you to have your sheet music out, that would be great. Here it is. Tunnel, ready, go. A, F sharp, G, E, E, scale. A. Okay, now you seem to know that when we were in class this past week. That was great. Then my question to you was, how does the second line relate to the first? And almost everybody in the class immediately recognized that it started the same way, except that first half note was broken up into the quarter notes. So here's the start of the second line. Listen once. A, F sharp, G, E, E, E. So same notes, it's just that one had a half note in the first line, now we have quarters. Then the second half of the second line, as we discussed in class, has that pattern called the arpeggio. Open D, 3 for F sharp, open A. Now we had that in Song of the Wind. There it was, D, F sharp, A. Well, in Lightly Row, it's much slower. So here's the second line of Lightly Row, starting with the tunnel, taking out the half note, making it a quarter, and ending with the D, F sharp, A arpeggio. Here it is. Listen first. Second line, go. A, F sharp, G, E, 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 D, F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. You might want to pause the video, write in any fingerings or notes, and rewind and watch that with me. So now at this point we have lines 1 and 2. Then in class we said, let's take a look at line 4. How does it relate to what we've already learned? Well, you told me in class that line 4 and line 2, when we pluck them, are the same exact thing. And you're absolutely right. So now you've learned 3 out of 4 lines of the piece, which is 75% when we're plucking. Line 3 is a little bit different. It starts on a first finger on the D string, or E. So, listen once. You can follow in your music if you'd like. Here it is. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 4. Third finger, F sharp, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, A. Well, if you were to really look at your music there and ask yourself this question, how many notes in the whole third line are on the A string? What would your answer be? Go ahead, scan it. F sharp, E, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, G. Last note, A. So it's all on the D string for line 3, except that last note, which is on the A string. So now you have the knowledge and the skill to do the whole Lightly Row, which is your assignment for the week. So here it is. I'll play it for you. You're welcome to play it with me if you'd like. Setting up your tunnel technique from the beginning of Lightly Row. 1, 2, 3, go. A, F sharp, G, E, E, scale. D, E, F sharp, G, A. Second line, A, F sharp, G, E, E, E arpeggio, D, F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp. Third line, first finger, E, 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 F sharp, G, back to F sharp, G, A. last line, tunnel. A, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, E, 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 D, F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Well, I hope this piece gets easier for you as you practice it each day this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy practicing. Once you get that, please go back and review your Song of the Wind, Twinkle Variations, The Clown, all that stuff from last year also. And happy practicing. Thanks for watching.